All grey.
I'm all grey. What do I do? I've
Working.
exposed my new look on your birthday for you. This is my present for you, Varun. My children, anyway, have really trolled me at home, and they have said I'm looking like a Buddha.
Well, guys, celebrities under lockdown seem to be getting more philosophical and realizing that vanity is indeed not the best policy. Ab Karan Johar ko hi lijiye, who has admitted to having judged people based on how they look and what they wear at events and parties, etc., has recently come out and said that he is not going to dye his hair and he's going to let his whites and greys show. I mean, जाहिर सी बात है, हम सब घर में फंसे हुए हैं, तो dye करना तो it becomes a little bit difficult at this point in time. But having said that, Karan Johar का ये नया philosophy और नया look हमें काफी पसंद आ रहा है. Check out the story. Karan Johar is one of the most fashionable celebrities in movie town, and the Dharma boss is also known for his fashion choices and bright avant-garde clothing. In fact, Karan has also admitted in a lighter vein to judge people for their fashion choices and looks, and is supposedly a part of a WhatsApp group called Guts, where others, including him and Bebo, troll people for the guts they've had to wear something. लेकिन लगता है लॉकडाउन में रह के and perhaps watching all the major issues people are facing, Karan has shown guts of another kind. The filmmaker, who has not been able to style and color his hair, is now showing off his greys and whites in a new selfie. Accompanied with a perfect pout, Karan, who seems to have lost a lot of weight, is wearing a basic black t-shirt and turns his favorite profile to the camera with the caption "Black, White and Grey." Just the other day, Karan की daughter Ruhi ने उनकी पोल खोल दी by saying that he looks like a Buddha.
God, come on, let's get out of here. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Hey, your hair is white. You are like a Buddha.
और इसीलिए शायद केजो को लगा कि अब कितने दिन अपना चेहरा छुपाएंगे. Might as well share the reality of things and be cool about it. The filmmaker's new look made its debut when he had a chat with actor Varun Dhawan to wish him for his birthday, and the birthday boy was surprised with Kejo's new look.
All grey.
I'm all grey. What do I do?
All grey. No, it's looking amazing, I think. It looks like
This is the first time I'm revealing my grey to you, Varun. Because I've realized I have to just live like this. Now there's nothing I can do.
Karan told Varun in the video, "I am debuting this look of mine with silver hair on your birthday."
I've exposed my new look on your birthday for you. This is my present for you, Varun. My new look. This is my new look.
But when Varun had asked him why he decided not to color his hair, Karan replied,
I'm sitting in the house here, not doing anything. Now, who's going to color and what am I beautifying myself for who and what? I'm just happy. I'm with my kids, with my mom. All the chemicals that keep going in our hair is not good for our hair. So I think this will be a good holiday for my hair as well. Let me age gracefully and start behaving like my age for once. My children, anyway, have really trolled me at home, and they have said I'm looking like a Buddha. They say I dress badly, I can't dance, I can't sing. Apparently, I can't do anything.
Well, Karan, we like your new look and your new outlook. We hope कि आगे जाके आपकी फिल्मों में भी यही realism और natural beauty पे focus दिखेगा.